Hey guys, here we are today at the garden. Gardening is a good way to connect with nature. So I've been spreading some plants, some flowers from here. I pluck them like this one I've plucked. Then I dig a hole, put some fertilizer, then put it in and cover it. Cover it also with mulch to make it rich. Then press hard, press hard so that it stays firm on the ground. All this you see here have been moved. They usually spread so fast. Soon this will be looking like this. Enjoy gardening. Connect with nature.